Hi there, busy mamas. My name is Kiana Danielle. I founded Invest Diva back in 2012 to help stay-at-home moms generate passive income by investing in the online financial markets without being stuck to their screen all day and without being a math whiz, and really with only a small initial investment. I've written books about it. I often go on TV to talk about it, and it really isn't rocket science. In fact, below this video, I'm sharing a link to my masterclass where I reveal the 3 secrets to make your money work for you, and that I've used to generate around $12,000 passive income per month without being stuck to my screen all day, all the while I spend time with this little cutie and run my business, Invest Diva. In this free masterclass, I am going to show you a number of things, how to make more money, how actually I make more money by investing in 1 year than I could in 5 years of a 9-to-5 job, how I do this without being a math whiz or being stuck to my screen all day, and how I started with a very small initial investment. I literally started with $500. I can't wait to see you in the masterclass. And remember, make your money work for you, not the other way around.
CEO of InvestDiva.com, author of Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies, Kiana Danielle.
The CEO of Invest Diva, Kiana Danielle.
Joining us now, the author of Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies and Invest Diva CEO, Kiana Danielle.
Joining me at the market site in Times Square, we have Kiana Danielle. She is the CEO of Invest Diva.
Kiana, great to have you. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me. Stocks, Forex, and crypto, and crypto. Stocks, Forex, and crypto are things we like to invest in. Stocks, Forex, and crypto.